Okay, good morning. In this session, as the continuation of breeding for resistance, the topic is gene for gene system of plants. Gene for gene system of plants. Okay, write down the gene for gene relationship between a host and its pathogen was postulated by Flor, Flor, Flor in brackets 1956 1956 close the bracket full stop. Next sentence, the gene for gene relationship holds holds true in most of the cases and is now widely accepted. Full stop. Next paragraph, it has been found that comma for every resistance gene present in the host semicolon, the pathogen has a gene for virulence. Full stop. The susceptible reaction would result only when the pathogen is able to match all the resistance genes present in the host. The susceptible reaction would result only when the pathogen is able to match all the resistance genes present in the host with appropriate virulence genes. Full stop. Next sentence. If, comma, one or more resistance genes are not matched by the pathogen with the appropriate virulence genes, comma, resistance reaction is the result. Full stop. In most of the pathogens, comma, virulence is recessive to a virulence. Full stop. Next heading, vertical and horizontal resistance. The terms were introduced by Van der Planck, V capital V-A-N, D small letter D-E-R, Planck, P capital P-L-A-N-K, in brackets 1968, 1968, close the bracket, full stop. Next subheading A, vertical resistance, V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L, vertical resistance. Okay, write down. When a variety is more resistant to some races, RACS, than to others, comma, such resistance is called vertical resistance, comma, perpendicular resistance, PERPENDICULAR, or specific resistance, SPECIFIC, specific resistance. Full stop. Next paragraph. It is also known as race specific, RACE hyphen specific, comma, pathotype specific, PATHOTYPE, or simply called as specific resistance. Full stop. Next paragraph. The derivation of DERIVATION, derivation of the term in single inverted comma vertical resistance is mathematical and refers to REFERS, mathematical and refers to the vertical axis of a graph. Full stop. Next paragraph. Vertical resistance is generally determined by major genes, MAJOR, major genes, in brackets, oligogenes, OLIGOGENES, close bracket, and is characterized by pathotype specificity. Pathotype specificity. Full stop. Next paragraph. The pathotype specificity denotes that the host carrying a gene for vertical resistance is attacked by ATTACKED, attacked by only that pathotype, comma, which is virulent towards that resistance gene, semicolon, to all other pathotypes, comma, the host will be resistant. First up, next paragraph. Thus, comma, an avirulent pathotype, AVIRULENT pathotype will produce an immune response, IMMUNE response, but the virulent pathotype will lead to the susceptible reaction. First up, that is, comma, immune or susceptible response in the case of vertical resistance depends on the presence of virulent pathotype. Full stop. When the virulent pathotype becomes frequent, comma, epidemics, EPIDEMICS, epidemics are common in the case of vertical resistance. Then next heading, B, horizontal resistance. Okay, write down. When resistance is such that, comma, it is uniformly spread against, SPREAD, spread against all races, RACS, of the pathogen, semicolon, then it is called horizontal resistance or lateral resistance or generalized resistance or non-specific resistance or field resistance, FIELD, field resistance. Full stop. Next sentence. It has a number of synonyms known as race non-specific, RACE-NON-specific, comma, pathotype non-specific, and partial, PARTIAL, or general resistance. Full stop. Next paragraph. The derivation of this term is mathematical and refers to the horizontal axis of the graph. Full stop. Next paragraph. Horizontal resistance is generally controlled by minor genes, MINOR-GENES, in brackets, polygenes, POLYGENES, close the bracket, and is pathotype non-specific. Full stop. That is why, comma, it is also known as general resistance. Full stop. Next paragraph. In the case of horizontal resistance, comma, a reproduction rate of the pathogen is never 0, semicolon, but it is less than 1. Full stop. Next paragraph. Horizontal resistance, comma, therefore, semicolon, does not prevent the development of symptoms of the disease, comma, but it shows slow down the rate of slows down the rate of spread of the disease in the population. Okay, thank you.